Hi, I'm Santino at WTI. If you're looking for some cologne options for the man in your life, you may want to check out this Rue21 Black. This is my husband's and it smells really great on him. I think it has a fresh, clean, sweet scent with a little bit of musk to balance. There's also some hints of coconut and citrus, so you have a lot of different things to look for in the scent of this cologne. It's a great summer scent, so if you are looking for something nice and fresh and ready to go out for summer, this is a great option. It's also a nice, sleek little bottle, and it looks great on my husband's shelf with all of his other colognes. Really adds to his collection. So this has worked out to be a great cologne, and that's my point of view.